everyone. We just finished first period. Today is senior recess day. Friday, January 9th. It's 9:23 right now. We're on our way to second period. And then after second, we have a 2-hour senior recess day. Say hello to this. Hello.
What's up? How's it going?
Good. It's a second period. So hello, Bangzi.
I'm gonna sit next to you guys.
Okay. Oh, I forgot. Hello. Look, you can look at yourself. Oh, okay. Let's try doing selfie mode. Oh, this is really close to my face.
That's what I like.
Oh, okay. Bye. You guys can see yourself.
Oh, I chat. Hi, Angie's Cam.
What are we going to do?
Senior recess. Senior recess. Angie's Cam again.
Hey.
Hello.
We got bed.
You guys can see yourself if you can.
And we got,
Can't see yourselves.
and Kate and Kim and
Max. Let's see. I can zoom
he made us walk up this
hill so we
hide
can
our
put our
backpacks.
Yeah. But we're going to senior recess. Hello.
Senior recess.
Senior recess. You guys are too close.
Wait, I'll film you too.
Oh. Hello. Oh, like this? Or you got really bad? No, wait, I want to zoom into that.
You move it like that way. So why is it so slow?
How do I zoom it out? Zoom out, zoom out.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute.
Okay, let's go.
There we go.
Is Joseph Baker. Joseph, come over here and get a prize.
Oh, so cute.
And then I got back to a corner like this. I was out front.
Oh, Auntie! Yes, the corner! Hey, yo!
Hello, everyone. What just happened? We just played Ninja. It's time for Duck a Goose. Let's get into it. Hi guys. Say hello.
Sit on what?
Yo!
Wait, this is what you thought.
This is a little too small.
Saw the frisbee!
Guys, can my friends join?
Let's get snacks. Say hello. Hello.
Wait, this camera's so cute.
Let's get water.
Jasmine.
You're really close.
Bro, I'm dead.
I'm dead.
This is my third bottle. I don't know where the other two went.
I don't know. I was drinking someone's water, but. Let's get the game going. Whoa, May! Good job. Little.
Different overtime, huh?
What happened here?
Wow. Simeon, say hello.
Where'd you get this?
My dad's. Wait, you can
introduce yourself.
Hello, this is me, Jamin Ariola, and I'm a senior, and I just got back from recess. And now I'm going to be on YouTube, I'm assuming.
I don't know what I'm doing with this. Selena's angry. Hello. Miley. She's... Now Bruce.
Wait, Bruce, show them the shirt.
Whoa. Oh, it zoomed in.
Hi.
It's way too close. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Now it's good. Now we're doing some music theory over here. Kobe, bro. Theory GPT. Doris is right here, doing her work too. Say hello. Hi. Leanne and Kobe are discussing music theory. They're actually doing work. And there's Johnny.
Running down to the river.